Tears in your mats can be repaired using two methods. The two methods include a cold patch repair and a heat seal repair. First, we'll start with the cold patch repair. The first step in a mat repair is to buff off the area around the tear. Be sure that the edges of the tear are placed together so it does not bulge or ripple. Next, take your roll of repair rubber and cut the appropriate length to cover the tear. Now, place the strip directly over the tear and glue down one side, leaving the other side free. Once the glued portion has dried, continue gluing the rest of the strip. Be sure to go back and seal the edges securely. Once completely glued down, place a weight on the strip and allow it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Once your mat is dried, your mat has successfully been repaired. Now let's learn about the second option, the heat seal repair. For this process, set your machine to 400 degrees, 80 psi, and the timer to 5 minutes. Like the cold patch repair, the first step in repairing your mat using the heat seal method is to buff off the area around the tear. Next, take the mat and place the buffed area directly under the heat seal machine. Now, place the strip of uncured rubber onto the tear. Next, simply cover it with your sheet of Teflon and start the machine. When the cook time is up, remove the Teflon and take a look at your newly repaired mat.